Hi class, welcome back. We're gonna go over some of the definitions of cost, revenue, and profit. We're gonna put it all together. So in this section, we'll talk about and we apply some of these functions. So the first one we're gonna talk about is cost function. So C of X represents the total cost function of producing X items. Now revenue R of X is the total revenue function of selling X items. And profit P of X is the total profit function of producing and selling X items. So if you want to put it all together, the profit is equal to the revenue minus the cost. So let's try this example. Let's say you are producing bicycles and you sold this number of bicycles, right? Let's say you sold 50 bicycles. But when you sold them, you end up getting $1,000 of sell, right? Of selling the bicycles. Well, that was not to calculate how much you're actually gonna profit. You're gonna have to subtract how much it cost you to making and producing these bicycles, or if you bought it from from the company, right, from the main company. But usually we think about it as producing these items. So let's say it costs you to produce $600. So to find what the profit for this will be, you would just have to subtract those two. So it'll be 1,000 minus 400. Sorry, 1,000 minus 600 is 400. So if you want to see it over here, think about it that the revenue is the money coming in, and then if you subtract the cost of producing these items, right? If you take away this part, if you take away the 600, then what you're gonna be left with is the subtraction. So this will be your profit, right? Which in this case is $400. All right. So we'll try a few examples in a second, but this is the general concept of cost, revenue, and profit. We're gonna actually explore further these, and often what we're gonna do is we're gonna represent the cost function, the revenue function, and the profit function as a other expression of, or a function of x or s or p, right? So they're all gonna be described